देखने का
क्या?
कुछ लेना है कि
नहीं।
रात को यहीं पे है ना, ड्रोन उड़ाने चलना।
I am live. Okay, fine. Am I? Yes. Okay, everyone. Why is my camera not working? Display capture. I'm live. Okay, fine. Am I? Okay, everyone. Why is my camera not working? Display capture. I'm live. Okay. Am I? Okay, everyone. Why is my camera not working? Okay, we are live. So, because of the daylight saving, I am not able to record recently. So now, today we are gonna do a live, and tomorrow also we are gonna do a live because I won't be able to make video from next week for a week because I am going out. So for a special treatment, let's do a live today as well as tomorrow. And let's do the analysis first. In daily, GBP is that has a big wick. So okay, so in daily it is bearish, but it has a big wick. Okay, it gave a breakout, but this was yesterday was a strong candle. Today is also we have to check the lower time. 4 hour, it already retested the 4 hour order block over here and then gave a fall. It also retested the 4 hour order block over here. So and current candle has no wick, so it's looking bullish. Yeah, so you can see this was a very strong candle. It's in the FVG, but the current candle is very strong. It's gonna close in the FVG over here. Technically it is bearish, but the current last 1 hour says that it is bullish. So it is confusing. I would not like to trade this one. GBP is more bearish. Even if we have to trade, then I would have preferred trading GBP, Euro. So this was a down for pullback, breakdown, and this is the pullback. Yeah, it is. This one is looking better. This was a great breakdown, but we need, because the strength is too much, so we need a good breakout structure. We need at least a 5 minute breakout structure, and we most likely will get another pairs to trade. But still, let's keep it under the watch. EUR, we are bearish. We need a 5 minute breakout structure, retest, and 1 minute breakout structure. Let me check if my live is going correctly. We need a final breakout structure. Okay, it's going perfectly. And shape PY. Okay, JPY. And then the wick, both the sides looking doji. Overall trend is bullish yesterday and day before yesterday. It was bullish. It will create a FVG today, but looks like it might make a. If it makes a doji candle, that's a good sign. In coming week, it can retest this order block and then give a great momentum. 4 hour, we have an order block over here, not retested yet. It's looking very good. This was a major level. It held there for 4 hour candles, which is 12 hours, and then gave a strong breakout. So it is looking very bullish. 1 hour. Okay, great. It is in FVG. Okay. This was a strong breakout. It took 3 hours. This is not a good sign because it made a IFVG, which I would not like to see. The chart is looking good. This can be a very good sweep, and it can continue for the higher side. But we need a 5-minute breakout structure for the upside because there is a 15-minute FVG over the top for sales. So we'll wait. JPY fine, same as Euro, just it's upside and Euro is downside. 5-minute breakout structure in both. Gold. So good. This is strongly bearish. It gave 2 candle pullback. Yesterday it made an inverted hammer and now it's falling. So okay, perfect. It didn't retest the FVG yet, but looking good. 1 hour. I need a retest of this FVG. That would be good. I want London to be swept. Then we can trade. The thing is, yeah, this is a strong candle. It has given a breakout for the upside. So in this also, we will have to wait for at least a 5-minute breakout structure after the FEG is retested. So the plan is we are bearish in gold, but we need a retest of the FEG, 4 hour FEG. See, you can see this from here. This was, see the momentum, you can see this was a strong momentum, but the buyers were also strong. Then it almost sideways. This was a good breakout for the upside, but the sellers are not in that much control. You can see these are small candle, then again 2 great candles, 1 pullback, and this 2 great breakout. So this is one of the swing which is important because from here it gave a breakout structure. It might not take out that swing. Technically it's looking bullish in the smaller time frame, but overall you can also say it's in a range. So it's not a very preferable pair to trade. I might not trade this one. So it is in this range. And this is going straight. I need a pullback, and then if it gives a breakout, then we can also trade buys, but we are trend traders. So gold is not the one which we would like to trade. So we won't trade gold. JPY bearish in daily, sorry, NQ bearish in daily, 4 hour, 2 continuous candle fall. Current candle is looking like giving a pullback. Yeah, that's the thing. You can see the trend is there, but so far it has not given a pullback. Maybe in the first half an hour or 1 hour of the New York session open, it can give a pullback, and we might hit our assets. That's the bad thing. Okay, so good. We have order block which has been retested, so we can trade this one. 5-minute. Yeah, great. It made a FEG, IFEG over here. So this is something we need to look out for. We are bearish. So 3-minute already gave up 3-minute breakout structure. How will we trade this one? You can see the seller strength is there. This is a good sweep. It can continue for the downside. I want this candle to be a green candle, so we can trade for the downside. It already gave a 3-minute breakout structure, but this is a swing which we can also trade. 5 minute over here. So 3 minute. This is also a good place to enter because you can see this is a good pattern. In smaller time frame, this is also true. You can trade this. This swings can be a target for a scalper. So JPY, NQ, what we can do is there are no swings over here. The last swing is over here. So what we can do, it's looking, it can be a bullish because you can see there is a FEG over here. It can retest and continue for the higher side. So we will have to wait for the it to break the FEG. Until and unless that we cannot trade. So we need a zone breakdown. We are bearish in NQ. Zone breakdown with 3 minute breakout structure. That's the plan. So we have time because so these are our major pairs will be Euro, JPY, and NQ. NQ we might not get a trade because first it has to close below this, then give a 3 minute breakout structure, but most likely we'll get a trade in Euro. Okay, the pairs are not moving in our direction. This is falling. We were looking for a breakout structure for the upside in JPY. We won't trade if that's the case. And Euro, this is not a good move. I don't like this trend. We are bearish, but we need a breakout structure. Okay, 3 minute breakout structure, and I can enter with half quantity in Euro. Yeah, this is not good. I would not like to trade because the trend, this is a strong momentum. It can retest. There can be a pullback. I will get 1:1. Then it can continue for the higher side. This was a very strong move. That's no doubt, but it should not be this steep momentum. So maybe we might not trade today. Let's see if we can catch something. Oh, NQ is down 1% for the day already. There can be a bounce back because still if okay, here we can get a trade in NQ. It gave a breakout structure. NQ, what we can do is 5 minute. What was the plan? Zone breakdown. So we have the breakdown. I can enter over here. There is no pullback. That's the problem. This is I will trade the FEG over here. I want a retest of this FVG and I will enter. Okay. Not my type of a trade. I should have waited for a breakdown, but fine. Let's see. The SL is not perfect, but let's see. Nice. Already getting 1:1. So this one is live and it will be great if we make profit. My balance is almost break even. I'm down $10, so that's not much. Now I will trail about the swing. So our SL is $22. Great. Okay, I don't know why is the chart lagging because I'm already getting 1:2. Okay, the target is 450, 850. If there is a reverse, the problem is it has already fallen 1%. So I also don't think it can continue for another. But let's see. Yeah, there is. I still don't think it will continue because it has already fallen 1%. Let's check daily. It has last time okay, this was a big candle. It fell 2%. So yeah, we can hold the trade. It's in our favor, so why not? Yeah, it will hit an SL. I don't want to hold this one. It's not looking good. So only half. Our SL is $15. We most likely it will hit SL. It has already fallen quite a bit. Let's see. So it did retest a 3-minute FVG over here. So 1 minute breakout structure, and I can also trail to break even. So if it breaks this low, then I will trail above this swing. Okay, I would okay, from here I can trail to break even. So now we have 0 risk on the table. Yeah, but let's keep it over the swing, $7 to $8 risk. That's fine, just so we don't get swept. So my SL is over here. Okay, no one's watching. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, so that's a live profit only for me to see. No one's there in the comment. We have already made more than 1:2, 1:3, almost there. Just a little bit more. I will start trailing to break even. Just a little bit more. Profit in live, but no one's there to see. Just imagine if you were here, then you could have made money. Just don't reverse from here. It gave 1:2.5. Let's see. It can reverse from here. I have to start trailing tightly. Okay, nice. Keep falling. So I have locked in $15 of profit. Worst case scenario, I will still make 15. So that's a good thing. Somewhere around, yeah, perfect. Just a breakdown, one push, and we'll make 1:3 in live. But fine. Still, this is a 0x game, so if our trailing SL hits, then we will be at exactly at break even. I won't keep a countdown from now on. We don't need a countdown. It's if I blow it, then you can calculate it by yourself. If I blow the account, I will tell you. Then 6% drawdown, you can calculate. Okay. Yeah, almost getting stopped out. Okay, we got stopped out. And we made $15, so that's fine. I haven't logged in into the account, but our balance is 980. We are down $20 overall, but this can still continue for the downside. But because it has already fallen, so the confidence is not good. while we are at live, let's see other pairs what we analyzed. So gold, what was the plan? I won't trade. We are done. We only take one trade. Gold 4-minute FVG retest, which didn't happen. Okay, it did happen. So yeah, this could have been a great trade. Let's see in 5 minutes. Did it happen? 4 hour. No, it did not. This is still a good trade. Okay, nice momentum. JPY, the plan was for the upside, but it didn't give a breakout for the upside, so doesn't matter. Yeah, the pairs are going against us. We were bearish over here, but now it gave a pullback and it's continuing for the upside. Our plan was 5-minute breakout structure, but it has given a 5-minute breakout structure for the upside. So this also doesn't matter. The one thing, yeah, see, now it's reversing because it has already fallen. Like I can see it will reverse, but we have to also follow our plans ultimately. See, here is, I didn't see this one. There is a FEG over here. 1-minute breakout structure, and one can also enter from over here for a trend for the downside. In 1 hour, it still looks good for the downside. Technically, yeah, it's still good for the downside. We can expect a trend from here. Yeah, this or this swings. I won't be surprised if it keeps falling. After all, the war and everything, but Trump can't do anything. Yeah, this 15-minute is not looking great for the upside. Most likely, see, if it takes out this high, then yeah, it can continue for the upside and maybe sideways. But from here, sometimes what happens, it will close here. The next candle will immediately take out this swing. It won't even come to make a new high. That is one possibility. Let's see. Okay, this is a very strong candle. Okay, no, it's getting a reversal. Yeah, it is going for a reversal. But fine, we are done, and see you tomorrow on live. If you want to make money, you can join, and see you tomorrow. Bye. And how do I turn on this off? Stop stream. Bye.